Hello guys, welcome back. Happy morning. It's Malika here and this is my channel Cool, Cute and Popular. So it's 7 a.m. in the morning and I am so excited to shoot this video because it's not a normal travel vlog or some hack video. Okay, you guys already know because you have read the title on top. So let's just jump in. It's an unboxing video, unboxing of the new HP Envy 15. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in. And I don't have the laptop, I'll get it. So the HP Envy 15 laptop was launched just a few days and I am happy to say that this piece right in front of you is the first piece in Hyderabad. Talking about this laptop, this features a 4K OLED HDR display and a 10th generation Intel Core processor. The screen is 15.6 inches and it has an IR thermal sensor. We'll get to know more about the features once we open it. Scissors, laptop. Let's unbox it. You know what guys, I have never actually opened a laptop box because the one which I have right now, it's 7 years old. It's the same HP company. When I received it, it was out of the box in front of me on the table. So I don't really know what are the components inside the laptop box. So okay, wait. Just wait. Which side is front? This side? This side? Yeah, this side. Guys, this is the natural silver color laptop. HP Envy 15. Guys, my box is gonna fall down. This is so cool and it's so thin and lightweight. Really? Hey, what is this? This rubbery thing. I think it's for the friction, like so that the laptop does not slip. Okay, it works. So let's keep the laptop aside for a minute and let's see what else is there in the box. Okay, so there is the manual which you'll read afterwards and this is the charger. Okay, saved. This is the AC adapter. Okay, the one which I have is really small. It's like a normal cuboid shaped box. This one's actually like a power bank. So if we read a little bit of the manual, it has Windows start screen, setup instructions, then gesture for touchpad and touchscreen. Touchscreen. It has a touchscreen. Okay, this is amazing. It says here it's Bang & Olufsen. Okay, this is an audio company, guys. So I've heard about this. It's a Danish audio company which provides all kind of audio products, telephones, televisions and everything, and it's a high quality company. And so I'm having a lot of expectations with the audio. Microsoft includes Office Home and Student. Talking about the keyboard, this one is a full-size island style keyboard. Island style keyboard basically means having these tiny cheeklets, these square kind of shapes and having a flat look. And this keyboard, it's backlit. Where is the power button? Oh, okay, right. It's right here.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
No,
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows Control. Is that right?
Yes. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to English, India. Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yes. Hi. It says hi. So I'm shooting from the laptop right now. I should be seeing in the camera, but I'm seeing myself right now. Microphone is off, so it's the audio input of the laptop which is working right now. Mosquito season. In any device, first thing which I really look forward for is the audio, because whenever I play a song, I really want that the system catches each and every beat and gives a very powerful impact. We're also going to see the touchscreen quality. It's at the highest. I can feel the vibration here, like when there's a beat. That's so good. I'm happy with the audio quality it's providing. In the end, I think the technology has gone a notch higher. This laptop, the HP NV15, is worth buying. With this, I'll end the video here by saying please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Mallika_J01. It's double L, guys, please. It's double L. Keep smiling and have a CCP life. Bye. अरे